life at Nigerian College of Aviation Technology.
You deserve it now. It's only worth it if you work for it. Let me introduce you.
Hi guys, welcome back to a brand new vlog. In this vlog, you are going to be packing with me and getting ready to go back to my base. Yes, I've been in ZARIA for over 2 weeks now, and it's my last day in ZARIA and I'm already packing. I'll show you guys in a jiffy. So you guys, I've not been going out as such in ZARIA, so that's why I've not been vlogging. And the only place I went to was where I showed you guys, Ahmadu Bello University. So I've been indoor basically, but now today is our last day in ZARIA. I'm going to be catching up my flight tomorrow morning. My flight is for 11. Yeah, so I'm going to be leaving home as early as possible. Let's say max 8 o'clock. So I'll be flying from Kaduna to Lagos. Yeah, we are going to be leaving ZARIA as early as 8 o'clock so as to meet up the flight for 11. So yeah, I'm ranting a lot. I just wanted to start this vlog here. I'm going to be flying from Kaduna to Lagos, and of course by road from Lagos to Ibadan. You guys know I stay in Ibadan, right? So yeah, come along with me in this vlog. I'm going to be meeting my hubby since over 2 weeks. Like, you guys, is a lot. I missed that boy. I missed that boy basically. Like, his baby miss him as well, and he equally misses us so very much. So yeah, it's an excitement vlog for me basically, because I'm going back to my base. Home is everything, you guys know. So yeah, I'll catch up with you guys later.
You deserve it now. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. A few moments later.
Hi guys, so it's my last day in ZARIA, Kaduna State, and we're just going to stop by at Nigerian College of Aviation Technology. Okay, so we're heading to NCAT now, and I'm definitely taking you guys along. We're just trying to see what's up over there. I've not been going out actually, so I think this is my second outing here and my second weekend here in ZARIA. So you guys, baby boy, say hi. So yeah, I'll catch up with you guys when we get there.
The crown, you deserve it now. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't. You deserve it now. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wait.
Oh, nice one. Makes sense. Oh.
Now inside there, you see that blue gate. This one a clinic.
Okay.
Right opposite. Clinic.
Aeromedical.
Aeromedical.
NCAT Aeromedical Center.
Now for staff.
Okay, so if you are sick like this,
you just go there. But they don't have. There are some things they don't
have.
Like serious operation. No?
No, they no fit. Then go refer person. NCAT male hostel for students, but
and the hostels for students are here.
Long tennis.
That gym where they always talk say they come.
Okay, now inside here.
Now here the gym.
Wow, she not free ni.
No be free.
To. But it's not for NCAT, sha. Okay. Oh, show any equipment, right? And they will have.
Now there are students.
Clinic.
No, where the shop.
Okay. Wow.
Now the gym is. Oh. They don't get plenty equipment and it's too small.
Oh, yeah. Gymnasium.
Flight simulator.
Wow.
Swimming pool.
Is it functioning?
What else?
It's functioning,
it's functioning.
Wow.
Swimming pool. They come back with you. The flight to
Okay.
Ojuku. Where you use all this before.
Wow.
Yeah.
Is here?
This is library.
Okay. Football court. I be pitch there, don't we? But it's spacious, sir.
These are their department, various.
Okay, for
That's why you
students.
notice that it's blue. Most of the color now blue.
Show that their
That's
color.
one color.
Wow.
This one are class.
Okay.
They have a lot of departments. This is water treatment.
Oh, okay.
Now from here they do all those signal with it.
Okay, signal for weather, right?
Yes, all those things.
Wow.
Plenty where.
So hi guys, I'm here live at Nigerian College of Aviation Technology, and
But this is the one way Ojuku be used.
so I'm just going to turn the camera now. So this is the plane
This is our
Ojuku.
senior man flight.
Now the plane be this where Ojuku enter, go fight civil war. Been waiting. Wow, these small ones, Inko.
Now for now that they use train pilots.
Okay.
Enter.
Wow.
This most one say we get this place na third hangar.
Now third
Hangar.
third hangar.
First hangar, second hangar.
Wow.
You know now if you want board flight, you will go your what they call them boarding gate.
Boarding gate.
Boarding, all those things, and so you do.
Not true. May you fly first, may we see.
Now the wrong way.
Okay, person if you enter here. Wow.
Oh, reaching down there like this.
So plane full here like this.
Plane full. One first renovation so they don't park some of the plane.
Okay.
It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to win the crown. I'm pissed off with these fucking clowns. On top they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me.
The next day.
Deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to win the crown. I'm pissed off with these fucking clowns. On top they deserve an ounce.
A few moments later.
So it took us a whole bunch of time to get to Ibadan from Lagos as the traffic was a whole lot. But yeah, we are home now, safe and sound. Thank you so much for watching till this stage. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. As well, drop your comment down below. I love you all.
Deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you